Military operation in NATO. Early operations. No military operation were conducted by NATO during the Cold War. Following the end of the Cold War, the first operation Anchor Guard in 1990 and Ek Guard in 1991 were promoted by the Iraqi invasion of Kuwait, and airborne early warning aircrafts were sent to provide coverage of the southeastern Turkey, and the later a quick reaction force was deployed to the area. Bosnia and the Herzegovina intervention. The Bosnia War began in 1992 as a result of the breakup of the Yugoslavia. The deteriorating situation led to the United Nations Security Council Resolution 816 on 9 October 1992 ordering a no-fly zone over the central Bosnia and the Herzegovina, which NATO began enforcing on 12 April 1993 with Operation Deny Flight from June 1993 until October 1996. Operation Safeguard added maritime enforcement of the arms embargo and the economic sanction against the Federal Republic of Yugoslavia. On 28 February 1994, NATO took its first wartime action by the shooting down 4 Bosnian Serb aircrafts violating the no-fly zone. On 10 and 11 April 1994, the United Nations Protection Force called in air strikes to protect the Gorzdi safe areas, resulting in the bombing of a Bosnia Serb military command outpost near Gorzd by 2 US F-16 jets acting under the NATO direction. In retaliation, Serbs took 150 United Nations personnel hostage on the 14th April. On 16 April, a British Sea Harrier was shot down over Gorzd by Serb forces. In August 1995, a 2-week NATO bombing campaign, Operation Deliberate Force, began against the army of the Republic of the Srpska, and after the Srebrenica massacre, further NATO airstrikes helped bring the Yugoslavia wars to an end, resulting in the Dayton Agreement in the November 1995. As a part of this agreement, NATO deployed a United Nations mandate peacekeeping force under Operation Joint Endeavours named IFOR. Almost 60,000 NATO troops were joined by the force from the non-NATO nation in this peacekeeping mission. This transition into the smaller SFOR, which started with the 32,000 troops initially and ran from the December 1996 until the December 2004, when operations were then passed into the European Union force at Althid. Following the lead of its member nation, NATO began to award a service medal, the NATO Medal, for these operations. Kosovo invasion. In an effort to stop the Slobodan Milosevic Serbian-led crackdown on the KLA separatists and the Albanian civilian in the Kosovo, the United Nations Security Council passed Resolution 1199 on 23 September 1998 to demand a ceasefire negotiation under U.S. Special Envoy Richard Holbrooke broke down on 23 March 1999 and handed the matter to NATO, which started a 78-day bombing campaign. On the 24 March 1999, Operation Allied Force targeted the military capabilities of what was then the Federal Republic of the Yugoslavia. During the crisis of NATO also deployed one of its international reaction forces, the ACE Mobile Force, to the Albania, and as the Albanian force and delivery humanitarian aid to refugees from the Kosovo. Through the campaign of the criticized for the high civilian casualties, including bombing of the Chinese embassy in Belgrade, Milosevic finally accepted the term of the international peace plan on 3 June 1999, ending the Kosovo War. On 11 June, Milosevic further accepted United Nations Resolution 1214, under the mandate of which NATO then helped establish the KFOR peacekeeping force. Nearly 1 on 1 million refugees had fled Kosovo, and part of KFOR mandate was to protect the humanitarian missions. In addition to deterring violence in August-September 2001, the alliance also mounted Operation Essentially Harvest, a mission disarming ethnic Albanian militaries in the Republic of the Macedonia. As of the 1st December 2013, 4,882 KFOR soldiers representing the 31 countries continuing to operate in the areas. The US and the UK, the most other NATO countries, oppose effort to require the United Nations Security Council to approve NATO military strikes, such as the action against the Serbia in 1999, while France and some others claimed that the alliances needed United Nations approval. The US UK side claimed that this would undermine the authority of the alliances, and they noted that Russia and China would have exercised their Security Council vetoes to block the strike on Slovenia, and could do the same in future conflicts where NATO intervention was required, thus nullifying the entire potency and the purpose of the organization. Recognizing the post-Cold War military environment, NATO adopting the alliance's strategic concept during its Washington summit in April 1999 that emphasizes conflict with prevention and the crisis management.